Ciao. Anyway, so.
Hey everyone, good morning and day 24. I'm so happy, I'm so excited. So I finished my evening meditation, not yet my morning meditation. My evening meditation was a love meditation for Sadhguru, and I went to sleep and it was an amazing sleep. Um, I guess I began to experience more better sleep since I began to go in this challenge. Actually, every day I feel I have a really good quality sleep, and I wake up feeling fresh and happy, and like how I can experience that, like awake, that I had enough sleep last night. Like every day I feel the same feeling, and I discovered that I begin to sleep a fewer hours than I usually do, which is amazing, and I wake up really awake and really like powerful and feel active and have this energy. So yeah, the quality of my sleep began to improve and become better, which is amazing. And I didn't make my morning meditation yet. I guess I'm gonna make the love meditation again. And how I feel about my flu, I am way better, feel better in my body, and I feel better in my emotion. I feel like I am in this meditative state all the time without meditation. So you know the feeling when you finish really good meditation and you get up feeling that like peace and joy inside of you, and feeling that calm and all that beautiful sensation in your heart and in your mind. I feel that most of the time. I'm not gonna say all the time yet, but most of the time I feel like I am meditating in everything I do. And I guess that's the point of the whole meditation thing, because you need to be in that state of mind as long as you can, so the meditation will be like continuous for you. You are in this state of mind. So I begin to do that without even forcing it, without concentrating it or focusing on it. I guess it became kind of a state of existing for me somehow. Of course, we need more consistent in this to continue be in that state and become like a natural thing in me. But so far I feel life is so easy, so simple, so smooth and beautiful. It's amazing with everything, and I feel happy. Like for a couple of days now, I can say that I am all the time happy and joyful inside. So that's great, guys. And yeah, let's do my meditation and see how it's gonna go. Have you? Hi, guys. So I did the love meditation for Sadhguru yesterday, because I am in the next day. I should record that video yesterday, but I was so happy and I was like having so much fun with myself. And I was a little bit drunk yesterday, actually, so I decided to record after I wake up today. But yesterday, after I made my meditation again, I felt so much love, and I love this meditation, guys. I guess it's the best meditation I have ever heard in my life so far, because it gave me so much love. The music in it is fantastic. I really feel like it's love music. It's kind of a very beautiful one. So anyway, of course, these meditation in the description box down below if you want to try them out. And this is for day 23, 24. I begin to lose count actually, because I am like at the end of the journey with you, but I'm gonna continue doing this. So let's go to the next day, which I can't remember day number. What? I'm gonna check out. So yeah, let's go to the next day, and I love you so much.